this is just a tool of the PC. So at the front we have the fan controller, the Rockman fan controller. It's pretty handy when you're watching a movie. You can just turn down the fans to silent, or when you're getting into intense gaming, you can just turn it up all the way. You have the top mounted fans. I'm only running one at the moment because I don't really play games, so one's sufficient for my needs. We have a side mounted fan, a window, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's running at 25, the Core i5 2500K. It's a Gigabyte ultra durable HE3 motherboard, and yeah, it's running the HG6850 ATI Radeon GPU um, from Gigabyte, and yeah, let's just take a look inside. As you can see, it's running the Corsair VS350 power supply. Now, I'm not a gamer, so I barely need power, so it's sufficient. I just play my movies on it, so that's more. It gives me more than enough power to get along. Yep, it's running a Thermaltake cooling aftermarket cooler. It's an air cooler. Don't want to get into that um, water cooling business. I'm only pushing it. I'm only pushing the CPU to like 4.5, so don't really need that. The GPU, yeah, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. Probably have to clean it up later, but yeah, that's how it looks like.